It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in agate black with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5. This vehicle has been upgraded with a level kit as well as new tires, LT 285 65 R20s, as well as a tonneau cover. This is a PowerBoost. It's a full hybrid with a 3.5 liter V6 engine that's hybrid, and it has a 35 kilowatt hour motor and a 1.5 liquid cooled battery kilowatt hour. And as well, this has a max trailer tow package, the power sliding rear window, and many more features. New wheels and tires. This is LT 285 65 R20 mud flaps. And you also have a level kit, your PowerBoost badging. This is a full hybrid. You've got that nice black running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road badging and the FX4 package includes skid plates. You also have that nice body colored handle with the backup camera above, and as well an LED light to the right. You've got a tonneau cover, that's a new add-in, and as well backup sensors on your bumper, max trailer tow hitch with 4 and 7 pin connector, as well as a locking spare tire. When you open it up, this is a line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have a tailgate step. And when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have the remote to be able to start the vehicle, as well a power tailgate release. This vehicle's had some upgrades. It has a tonneau cover on the 5.5 foot box, as well a level kit and new tires. And there's many more reasons to come and visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.